Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Subnautica 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Subnautica 2 game on your device.
And you may continue your game from wherever you last left off. Now if you wish to customize your control settings, just pause the game by pressing the escape button and then click on settings.
Now within the settings page, click on controls. And now you will see the input bindings that have been assigned to your keyboard. You can assign up to 2 buttons for the same task. In order to assign a secondary button, click on the blank space and then press your desired new button. This will now be assigned as the secondary button for your action. You can clear this by right-clicking from your mouse as well. In order to change an already assigned button, just click on the button that has been assigned, and once it turns blank, you can press your desired new key. By following this step, you may remap all of your keys for the game. You can also change the sensitivity levels for your mouse or your joystick using the sensitivity tab. Once you are done, just go back and your changes will be saved.
You can now enjoy your game with your customized controls right away, and you may change it at any point of time in the future by following the same steps. Pause your game, go into settings, and then from the control you can remap once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Subnautica 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.